Hello everyone, I'm Mehzab Galib. Today I'll be demonstrating the removal and installation of the aircraft main wheel brake assembly. So stay tuned with us until the end of the video as we demonstrate the complete dismantling of the brake assembly. Before starting the task, we ensured all safety precautions were followed. The aircraft was jacked and secured with wheel chocks. The landing gear safety locks were installed, and most importantly, the hydraulic system was depressurized. After removing the brake assembly, we dismantle the brake pack in a sequence. First, we remove the back plate which supports the brake stack. Next, we remove the rotating disc followed by the stationary disc. The rotating disc turns with the wheel while the stationary disc remains fixed on the torque tube. Friction between these discs slows the aircraft during braking. We then remove the secondary rotating disc and finally the pressure plate which applies hydraulic pressure to the disc stack. At the center is a torque tube which supports the stationary disc and transmits the braking torque to the landing gear. Normally, maintenance engineers replace the complete brake assembly. Dismantling, inspection and repair are carried out in the workshop. This dismantling was performed for training purposes to understand the brake assembly components. In this part of the task, we applied the wheel bearing torque as specified in the aircraft maintenance manual. First, we apply the initial torque to properly seat the bearing. We then loosen the nut back to zero before applying the final torque. For this aircraft, the torque procedure is 80-20 inch-pound. This concludes our demonstration of the basic aircraft brake assembly system. I hope this demonstration helped you understand the basic brake assembly and its components. Thank you for watching. I am Mehzab Galib. Have a great day.